we're doing on March the 25th called Breakthrough Your Barriers. You got any barriers? You got anything that's holding you back? Anything that's keeping you from who God made you to be? We all do. The question is, will you take that next step to move through it? And so Linda and I are doing this event. Honey, what would you like to share with them about Breakthrough for their barriers?
This class is designed to help you discover your unconscious barriers, because 95% of what's holding you back, you don't even know about. And so if you don't know about it, you cannot do anything about it. And so for me, I always believed, well, if God gave me a specific assignment and he put it inside of me, then he would just do it. He would just lift me up into it. But what I didn't realize was the problem is the same thing that Paul was having a problem with. And so I thought that I'd been soaking in the Lord, I'd been asking for forgiveness, I'd been surrendering, I'd been reading the Bible. But then the Lord led me to look into the brain and see what was actually going on inside of our bodies. And what I discovered is that 95% of our actions do not come from our conscious mind. They come from our unconscious mind. And in our unconscious mind, that is all placed inside of us by other people. And so he is waiting on us now. Now is the time. It's never been more crucial. There are people waiting on you to take your assignment. So will you answer his call?
You'd like to find out more about it, you can go to our website. Those of you who are listening or watching on live stream, if you go to McGrane.com, click down, there's a button called Events. If you click on that event, you can get all the information there and you can register.